Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some cherries. Sit back and relax. You will need some red fabric, red and brown yarn, some needle and thread, some pins, scissors, glue gun, felt fabric. So take your red fabric. You can use anything that is round. I'm using this Nivea bottle. My fabric is on fold. Okay, and draw a circle. Cut. Okay, here you go. Okay, so you have this 1, 2, about 5 centimeters. So take your needle and sew here. We are going to do a loose stitch here, like this. You can use red thread. I'm only using green so that you can see what I am doing. Okay, like that. Pull this thread like this, as you can see. Put some stuffing. Okay, close up. Okay, and cut. Make a knot. Do the same on this one. Pull. I decided to make 3, so go ahead and cut another one and do the same process like that. Okay, so take your red wool and here put like this in circles like that. Glue gun it. Okay, do the same here. Okay, here's the brown acrylic yarn. One, two, three, and cut. Okay, right at the end, tie a knot, just like that. One more time. Right at the beginning, like that. One, two. Okay, alternate like that. It's done. Our stems are done. Put these aside. Okay, take a piece of paper and draw a leaf. And cut. Take your felt fabric here's a tomato that I made the other day. If you are interested in this one, check out my video. I'm going to link it in this video. So here, pin. It's done. Remove pins and put them on your cute tomato. Stems, leaf, and cherries. Okay, put this aside. Right, let's assemble this. Before we assemble this, let's make our leaf a little bit cute like this. Take your needle. You can use white thread if you want, or contrasting green color like this one. Okay, so here. Okay, so here, just a running stitch. Okay, so go ahead and do that here, here, and here. Okay, it's done, and cut the thread. Cut that thread. Okay, our leaf is looking nice. Okay, now so let's assemble. Okay, and here, just do this. Make a loop like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.